Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, today you will learn Madani Qaida lesson number 4. Lesson number 4 is the same as lesson number 3, and lesson 4 is a little bit shorter and easier than lesson number 3. Let's read some rules first. Number 1, read this lesson rawan, that is without spelling. You have to read this whole lesson number 4, without spelling. You will not read as ta zabar ta zir ti ta pesh tu. Instead, you have to read without spelling. You will read just sounds of letters like ta, ti, tu, like this. 2. Take special care in pronouncing the harakat correctly. That means do not stretch harakat, do not make sudden pauses. Next, differentiate clearly between the letters that are qaribus saut, that is, the letters that sound somewhat similar. Qaribus saut letters are 16. They are ta, to, za, dal, do, tha, sin, sod, dal, bod, kaf, qaf, ha, ha, hamza, ain. So these are qaribu sawt letters. You have to differentiate clearly between these letters. For example, ta is pronounced with normal voice, but to is pronounced with thicker voice because it is from mustalia letters. So you have to take special care when you pronounce these two letters. In the same way, you have to differentiate clearly between the other qaribu sawt letters. Let's start reading from line 1. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ta, ti, tu, to, ti, tu, za, zi, zu. You have to read it with whistle sound. And next, la, ri, ru. You have to read dal without whistle sound. You will put the tongue under the upper teeth and you will read as the, ri, ru. And with normal voice. Don't make it thicker because it's not from mustalia letters. Next line. Ro, ri, ru. Yes, you have to read ro with without whistle sound as well as with thicker voice because ro is from mustalia letters. So you have to read like this. Ro, ri, ru. If you read as za, zi, zu, it's wrong. It's not correct. So you have to read as ro, ri, ru. Tha, thi, thu. Without whistle. Don't read as sa, si, su. Tha, thi, thu. Like this. Next line. Sa, si, su. So, si, su. Sod is from mustalia letters, so that's why you have to read with thicker voice. Next line. Da, di, do. Do, di, do. Dod is also from mustalia letters, so you have to read with thicker voice as I read. Next line. Ka, ki, ku. Ko, ki, ku. With thick tone. Next page. Ha, he, hu. Pronounce it from the bottom part of your throat. Do not read as ha, he, hu. It's not ha, it is ha. Ha, he, hu. And the next one is ha, he, hu. Pronounce it from the middle part of your throat. And do not mix up. Don't mix these two letters because they are qaribu sawt letters. The sounds are similar. So you have to take special care when you pronounce these two letters. The first one was ha, he, hu. And the second one is ha, he, hu. From the middle part of your throat. Next line. A, I, u. A, I, u. When you pronounce ain, then pronounce it from the middle part of your throat. When you pronounce hamza, then pronounce from the bottom part of your throat. So, let me read again for you. A, I, U. R, I, U. Next line. Kho, khi, khu. Ro, ri, ru. Ba, bi, bu. Ma, mi, mu. Wa, wi, wu. Fa, fi, fu. La, li, lu. Na, ni, nu. Ro, ri, ru. Ja, ji, ju. Sha, shi, shu. Ya, yi, you. Alhamdulillah, you have learned lesson number 4. Try to practice lesson 4 as I taught. Inshallah, in the next video, you will learn lesson number 5.